Hey guys, what's going on? So the idea is I'm going to use these two 1x3s and I'm going to screw them on the back side of this corrugated metal roofing, but I think it'll do the trick. So I've been told. I'm gonna make, like, a basic frame, and I'm gonna nail it to that plywood backing that I attached there. And then up top, I'm going to shield a couple of the joists, no, the rafters, it's roof, rafters, joists of the floor. But I could be wrong on that. Like I said, I'm not a trained professional. So, yeah, there she is. And, I just did something light. Just wanted to make sure draft was good. It rained yesterday. No leakage at all, which is awesome. I caulked the shit out of it. So, yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, so, yeah. Doesn't Baby Boy say that? So I've heard. The youth. Tremendous. Yeah, I can't take credit for that. Tremendous. Shout out to Bear Independent. TJ, your channel's awesome, brother. Keep it going. So I gave it a curvature. I don't know if it's going to come across well on camera, but kind of bent the 2x3s, or kind of just turned in with them a little bit before I anchored it to the plywood backing. And then I just got to finish up and do the shielding up top. So it'll really be like a number 3. Part 3. I was really thinking just 2, but it's getting way too late, and I got the things and the stuff to do, and with all this thing and everybody, all that stuff. So with that being said, guys, and the you know what I mean out there. So I'll see you in part 3. Later, YouTube fam.